Hi guys, welcome to Thulz on Cop. This week's episode is a beginner's kit with Auntie Jackie's hair products. Auntie Jackie's is actually one of my favorite hair brands. It smells so amazing. It makes your hair smell good, guys. And yeah, it's pretty affordable. It's very affordable actually. You can get it at Clicks. Anyway, like any Click, well, not any Clicks, let me not lie to you guys, but I know most Clicks. Yeah guys, Clicks, I got them at Clicks, and they are not expensive. Like I said, they pretty reasonable. Like I'm saying, it's like a beginner's kit. You're still feeling out the product. You want to know if it's for you or it's not for you. So what is obviously featured in this kit, it's firstly, it is also clean Auntie Jackie's shampoo. Yeah, it's orange in color, as you guys can see. It says moisturizing and softening shampoo, sulfate free and no mineral oils. That's because your hair creates its own mineral oils. Deep and moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair. So it moisturizes your hair and it detangles your hair for natural curls, coils and waves. Okay, for natural curls, coils and waves. Enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Drench your hair in Auntie Jackie's own blend of healthier ingredients and natural conditioners that thoroughly and gently cleanse and soften the most difficult to manage hair. Okay, I'm sure guys, I think everyone actually knows how to use shampoo. You know, like you use shampoo like gently, you know, rinse your hair properly, make sure there's no shampoo left in your hair after you shampoo your hair, well, after you rinse it rather. Okay, and then after using the shampoo, Auntie Jackie's leave-in conditioner. This is awesome. I love it. I love it. It's like one of my favorite products. It's like I'm saying, it's one of the first, well, I bought all three of them at once when I bought the Auntie Jackie's for the first time, and I was so excited. Oh my god, guys. But anyway, this is called Quench. Moisture and intensive leave-in conditioner. Ultra hydrating deep moisture therapy for parched tresses. Revive dry hair with Auntie Jackie's moisture rich leave-in treatment. Natural ingredients including marshmallow root give great slip and just enough moisture to keep the thirstiest coils and curls refreshed. For optimal results, prep hair with Auntie Jackie's also clean shampoo, which is this, right? And then the third and final one is the Curl-a-la. Okay guys, as you can see, I use this thing. I don't lala with it. I don't play with it. This thing smells so good, guys. It is light purple in color. Oh guys, this is like this is my baby, guys. Like I love the Curl-a-la. Yeah guys, you can get it at Clicks. Okay, so how you use this Curl-a-la. Okay, so wait, it says, okay, so yeah, it's called the Curl-a-la Defining Curl Custard. Say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls and lifeless coils. Define, shape and control curls, waves, coils and braid outs while adding moisture, shine and natural conditioning. Guys, like I'm saying, the Curl-a-la is it's life. How much I bought all of them for, let me check for you guys. Okay, the Curl-a-la, which is this was 85 rand. The leave-in conditioner, this was 86 rand. And the Also Clean shampoo, it was 69 rand, guys. So it's really affordable, like it's things that you can buy one by one. Like, there we go, guys. So yeah, I love these products with all my heart. So I'm gonna show you how I keep my curls tight every morning and keep my hair looking fresh, feeling spongy. And I'm just gonna, yeah, like, comment on how I feel about the product, if I like it, if I don't, you know, what they could change, whatever the case is. So what I do first is I water my hair with a bottle of spray water. I water it a lot. You could say, like, I make it almost wet but not wet. And then after that, this is what happens, guys. Sometimes the curls come out during the night, but anyway, and then I take some of my Quench, my leave-in conditioner. I pour a bit on my hand, rub it, and then rub it all over my hair. But guys, when you're rubbing this in, just make sure that you rub it in like properly, like properly. Hey guys, I'm sorry, but yeah. And then after the leave-in conditioner, I apply some coily. Okay, so this is the sleeping hairstyle. So when you undo the sleeping hairstyle, first and foremost, moisturize the braid, and then undo the braid, and then take more coily, moisturize it, moisturize all of it, like, make sure it's in there. Yeah, guys, and this is how it makes your hair look. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like nice and curly. It's pretty. I like it. I like it. And yeah, guys, you just do that to basically, like, all your little braids. And then you take some more coily, and then you just moisture it thoroughly. Make sure everything is, you know. And that's how my hair looks after using Auntie Jackie's. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be running a giveaway for a beginner's kit for Auntie Jackie's. So if you want, okay, wait, let me show you what's in the beginner's kit. Okay, so it's Auntie Jackie's coily. It's still full, as you guys can see. This is Auntie Jackie's also clean shampoo, and it is the Quench, the leave-in conditioner. So guys, if you go to my Instagram page, you can enter the competition from there basically, and I will give you all the steps on my Instagram account. Just follow. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode.